In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button to your Squarespace website. Adding a PayPal button can be a great way to facilitate transactions directly from your site, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Elfsight Apps. This is an excellent platform that provides a range of widgets for your website, making this process straightforward. Once you're on the Elfsight homepage, look for the option labeled Widgets. Clicking here will take you to a variety of options that Elfsight offers. Next, in the search bar, type PayPal button. This will filter out all available widgets, zeroing in on exactly what we need today. Once you see the PayPal button widget, click on it to proceed. The interface you'll encounter is user-friendly, ensuring that creating and customizing your PayPal button is as smooth as possible. When you're on the PayPal button widget page, you should see a button that reads Create Widget for free. Click this to start crafting your widget. You'll then notice a prompt suggesting Continue with this template, so go ahead and click that as well to proceed with the default, which is generally a good fit for most websites. After customizing your widget to fit your site's aesthetic and functional needs, the next step is to add it to your website. Click on the button labeled Add to Website for free. Elfsight will ask you to publish the widget on their platform, so click Publish to make it live. On the following screen, you'll see different pricing plans. For the purpose of this tutorial, click on Select under the free plan. While there are paid options available, the free version is generally sufficient for simple integrations. Now that your widget is ready to use, it's time to integrate it into your Squarespace website. For this step, click on Copy Code. This will copy the widget's embed code to your clipboard and make it neat. Aha Clipboard, making it ready to be pasted onto your Squarespace site. Navigate over to your Squarespace editing environment. When you're on the page where you'd like to add the PayPal button, click on Add Block. From the list that appears, select Embed. This block is where you'll paste the code you just copied. As you proceed, click on the Edit option within the Embed block. Here, you'll see an option for Code Snippet. Click on it to continue. You may then see the label Embed Data. Click on this, and a field will be ready for you to paste your embed code. Once you've pasted the embed code, ensure everything looks good and is in place. Don't forget to save your changes, and there you have it. A fully functional PayPal button embedded right onto your Squarespace website, ready to facilitate seamless transactions for your customers.